How to make someone admin in Roblox group. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about making someone admin in their Roblox group. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to open your Roblox application, or you just can go to www.roblox.com and log into your specific account. Now, click on the menu icon, which is usually three horizontal lines on the left side of the screen, and then select Groups. Find the group you own and then click on it. After that, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the group page. Select Configure Group, and on the left side, click Members. Find the member you want to make admin and then click on the drop-down menu next to their name. Choose Admin from the drop-down options and the user's role will be updated to admin. And that's it. This is exactly how you can make someone admin in Roblox group. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.